been open for me, yet the mission and vision of why I have always been here remains the same. And so as I begin to take this first step, I don't want to say, to God be the greatest glory. Truly, this is a humbling moment as I joined the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Historic really in many ways for me, and in a bigger sense, this august body with the honor bestowed to former attorney, board member, Attorney Nochete, Carmelo Nochete, and now Regional Director Nochete of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, Regional Office 6. I am very honored and humbled. Nakagin nga salamat sa Partido Lakas CMD. May I further take this opportunity to thank the recommendation and trust of 1st District Congresswoman Doc Nanay Janet Loreto Garin, Vice Governor Christine Tingting Garin, Honorable Mayor Richard Garin, and the Garin family. Hanggud gid ang akon pagpasalamat sa pagkilala, pagsarig, kagkumpiyansa na dakanakan hindi mabaydan sa anuman. Gani may salute and admiration to them. I thank them, my mentors, for the full trust and confidence. With them, I mark more than 20 years of public service. Masubra duwa katigada nga serbisyo publiko nga panghimanwa sa Primer Distrito tubtub sa kabilugan sa probinsya sang Iloilo. Years that have honed me in my discovered passion to serve and be of service. Following my stint as Sangguniang Kabataan Chairman, kag naging Sangguniang Kabataan Municipal Federation President man ako, at the same time naging ex-officio member kang Banwa kang Bimbal. Years that have molded my said desire to serve and be of service in and out of government. I would like to share with you ang akong experience way back 2007 when Mayor Richard Garin was the board member kag nangin Vice Governor diri sa probinsya sang Iloilo. Every time I entered this session hall, I was just sitting there. Pagkakungko lang ako kag mamati-mati. But now, magasulod ako dyan sa session hall nga may designated seat na ako, then may chance na makaparticipate, no? Kag makadeliberate sa pariyo ko nga mga board members. And so, as I entered this session hall today, I did with so overwhelming pride and strengthened resolve to wholeheartedly accept the duties, responsibilities, and challenges being the newest member of the 14th Sangguniang Panlalawigan. I am ready to embrace this and do my part in ensuring that matters from the barangay, municipal, and provincial levels needing legislative action will be duly attended. I come with the realization on how important to hear out plans and programs for the people. And so while I am here for each and every family in the 1st District of Iloilo, I am also here as part of this whole august body to ensure that voices are heard, policies as issued, are realized, and decisions in both the executive and legislative are cohesive and inclusive. Today of all other days that I step foot in the capital is most different. Today comes with a determination to be part of this august body, mindful to the joint pursuit for equality in the delivery of the basics in government services, peace, justice, and inclusive progress for Iloilo. And may I add, I also come today with my heart full of joy and pride that I share with everyone who have always believed in the Ilonggo can-do spirit. I stand before you today mindful and appreciative of the plans, projects, and programs of the Iloilo Provincial Government, rako or hanggad man ang ating pagsalig sa naplastar nga plano, na diyon nga programa, kag proyekto, kag direksyon, kag administrasyon ni Governor Arthur Tutu Defensor Jr. Kasubong man nga kumpiyansa kag pagsalig sa pagpanguna ni Vice Governor Christine Tingtinggarin, imaw sa tanan diri sa Sanggunian. Pagsalig kag kumpiyansa, ngayari kita tanan nga ang kasubong handom, amo ang kaaraydan kang probinsya kang Iloilo. Akon padayon ang matutuod nga serbisyo publiko, kag responsable nga sahay nga panggobyerno, tubtub sa akon masarangan and with the guidance of Almighty Father bilang board member sa Primer Distrito. Gani ang opisina natin kang board members, imaw kay board member Bal, no, kag ang opisina ni Kong Janet Garin, we will work hand in hand, we will collaborate, no, para nga mapalapit pagid ang serbisyo sa pumuluyo, kag mapadali pagid ang mga programa, projects, mga plano para maimplementar para sa kaayuhan sa Primer Distrito.